Math. Write the following in words. Chapter name is Numbers and Numeration. First chapter. Numeral 507. Now 507. F-I-V-E 500 H-U-N-D-R-E-D S-C-V-E-N 7. Next 395. T-H-R-E-E 300 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 190 N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 F-I-V-E 5. Now number C 711 S-E-V-E-N H-U-N-D-R-E-D 711 E-L-V-E-N 11. Number D 963 N-I-N-E 9 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 160 S-I-X-T-Y 63 T-H-R-E-E. Now number E 856 E-I-G-H-T 800 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 150 F-I-F-T-Y 56 S-I-X 6. Now number A 683 S-I-X 6 H-U-N-D-R-E-D E-I-G-H-T-Y 86 S-I-X 6.